If your high buns lack volume and symmetry, and you are after big bun energy, try a hair tie and Magic-Grip hairpins. Create a high ponytail and secure with the hair elastic. Separate the ponytail into sections, at least 4, but the thickness of these sections will depend on your hair and how much one Magic-Grip hairpin can hold. Working one section at a time, lock the Magic-Grip hairpin around the entire section so that it sits securely within the eye of the hairpin. The legs should be pointing straight up. Flip the pin, bend in the section, and insert the legs of the hairpin into the hair surrounding the ponytail, with the legs of the hairpin and the ends of your hair pointing to the center hair tie. Repeat with each of the other sections. 4 sections makes it easy to distribute the hair evenly on 4 corners. But you never want to overload the Magic-Grip hairpin. Determine the correct section size required for your hair so it can easily be locked with one hairpin. Once all the sections have been pinned into place, gently fan out the sections to bridge the gaps and tuck in any ends into the center of the bun. If any sections or layers escape the bun, repeat the same technique of bending the hair and securing with additional Magic-Grip hairpins. A great way to fake volume in fine hair or to create bigger buns on shorter hair, made comfortable and secure with Magic-Grip hairpins. Subscribe to the YouTube channel for real-time, step-by-step instructional hair tutorials using this product and many more. Available and proudly made in the USA by Good Hair Days, a woman-owned, family-operated hair accessories manufacturer since 1996.